This guide will walk you through the steps of how to check learner progress from the coach, trainer, manager role. From organizing progress by program to filtering and sorting options, you'll learn how to effectively track employee training progress. Click on the Manage Learning tab at the top of the screen. By using the Track, Set Training tab, we can look for training events and meetings using the Schedules button. The View by Program button shows you the progress of any of your employees, learners who are currently doing a program or pathway. You can search and filter in this view by username, company, department and program. You can also see how much time your employees, learners have spent on their training programs and how much they have completed. You can use the View by Learning Resource button to search for any resources assigned to all your employees, learners and their current status. You can filter by resource name, learner name, company, resource type, expected completion date and resource status. There are also options to download your filtered search to an Excel document and email specific users from here. The View by User button shows a list of the employees, learners assigned to you as a manager. Here you can see how many resources have been assigned to individual employees and their current status. Simply click on the eye icon next to one of the employees and this will take you to their individual profile. In the employee's learning profile, you can check for progress on their assigned programs or pathways, learning resources and assigned training events. If you click on the Learning Programs button, you will see the current progress of any programs the employee, learner has been assigned. For further details on program progress, click the Show Outcomes option next to the program. This will then display a more detailed breakdown, summary of the different areas of the program and what has been completed, not completed, etc. You can also click the Show Criteria button for further information. If you click the Learning Resources button, you will find a list of all current assigned learning resources and their status. You can filter by resource name, program, learning category, learning type, status, time spent and expected completion date. There is also an option to download this information into an Excel document. Note: the date will be displayed in red if the resource has gone past the due date. The current status of the learning resources are color-coded. Completed equals green, in progress equals amber, not attempted equals red. You can also search for further information in regards to individual resources by clicking the View button next to each resource. The Events button will display any training events assigned to the employee, learner and their current attendance status. You will also find the dates of the events in this view. In this guide, you learned how to access the Learner Progress page, view progress details, organize progress by program or learning resource, filter progress by different ranges and statuses. You also discovered how to expand and collapse outcome, filter, and sorting sections to effectively track learner progress in individual employee, learner profiles.